on that.
Already, I can tell it's going to be great. Wow. She's so intense.
Just kind of shivers. Every time I think I know what she's going to sound like in my head, I'm like, okay, she's deep voice, like, let's go in and see this reaction. But she still surprises me every time. Like,
yeah. You can wait a little longer, bro. Yeah.
Her voice has such body to it. Like, yeah, of course.
Das ist meine Diana. Sie ist mein kleiner Engel. Wenn sie auf der Bühne steht und ich sie sehe, dann bin ich so stolz wie eine Mama. Da geht mir das Herz auf. Leute, 16.
That didn't take long. Yeah, she is just like exactly what just outstanding. She is so deep. She's unique, and I love it. I love being able to enjoy it.
That voice and that maturity and her intelligence, she is really something special. I think she's like an old soul in this young body. I just really can't think of another singer in this world who sings like Diana.
Ini benar-benar liar. Diana kelihatan banget sangat passionate.
Shivers. This girl shocks me every single time I listen to a new track from her. 100% on the production value of the set.
I mean, come on, man. I mean, I know she's good, man. I really already know that she's good. This is again, man. She's stepping up a little bit here. I mean, she is. The way that she's bringing this with all the emotion and devotion.
Reacted to Diana singing Blizzard, and oh my god, the girl slayed. The girl was on fire. Her performance was just so powerful, and I'm so happy that all the 4 judges pressed their green light.
Wow. Again, just another out of this world performance by Diana. She is not from this planet. She is just unreal. Like her talent is it amazes me every time that I hear her sing. It's incredible that a young, innocent girl like that just has such a powerful and commanding and strong voice.
Okay, you guys, this was just simply another one of her performances that just like shakes me.
It was very unique, very different. Oh my God, I didn't expect that. First of all, she's awesome. Her singing is very beautiful. The judges obviously thought the same way.
Good gracious. A star. An absolute star. Diana, wow. That actually felt like a blizzard. I was hit with so much in that performance. I loved her vocals. I loved how powerful, you know, such projection.
Wow. It doesn't get old. Her tone quality, every time I hear it, just really grabs me. It's like, it like grasps you. You feel spellbound.
I love that tone, man. Hell yeah. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for an epic performance by our girl Diana. Please. This woman has a voice unlike any other that I've heard in my life.
За окном ходит зима, сеет снег, белый снег, ночью идти по саванам белых юга, дом мой снова, я без тебя. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь
You know what I noticed? She can really take you in the song, like what she sings. Like again, we don't understand, but she can really with her face, how she looks, like to the camera and how she expresses her face.
A number in here in the title, it says 15, so is that her age? Are you kidding me? The deep voice of her, I mean, like, I've never heard anyone sound like that. It's so deep. The depth of her voice is in a different dimension. Like,
what? Белый снег, ночью идет.
whoa! What was that? I couldn't believe my eyes. Oh my god. By the title of the video, I think she's 15 in this one. There's 15 here. The name is in Russian. I'm just guessing. I think she's 15. Besides, her voice doesn't sound like 15 at all.
She has this incredible voice. It is so unique. I absolutely love it. The tone, the quality, the texture. She's so intense. She's got this mysterious darkness in her voice. It's in the way she presents. It's just is captivating. You can't help but just sit there and stare at her. And half the time I'm holding my breath. I just can't believe